Man gave names to all the animals. In the beginning, in the beginning, man gave names to all the animals. In the beginning, long time ago, he saw an animal that liked to growl, big furry paws and he liked to howl, great big furry back and a furry hair. I think I call it bear. Man gave names to all the animals. In the beginning, long time ago, he saw an animal upon a hill, chewed up so much grass till she was filled. He saw milk coming out, but he didn't know how. Rhymes with how. I think I call it cow. Man gave names to all the animals. In the beginning, long time ago. He saw an animal that liked to snort, had horns on his head and he wasn't too short. He looked like there was nothing that he couldn't pull. Oh, I think I called a bull. Man gave names to all the animals. In the beginning, long time ago, he saw an animal in a muddy trail, had a real dirty face and a little curly tail. He wasn't too small and he wasn't too big. I think I called a pig. Man gave names to all the animals. In the beginning, long time ago. Next animal that he did meet had wool on his back and hoofs on his feet, eating grass on a mountainside so steep. Think I called a sheep. Man gave names to all the